In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug a flow in Salesforce if you're trying to figure out why a flow is not behaving the way you expect. The built-in debug tool is one of the fastest and easiest ways to investigate it. It lets you simulate the flow, review how it runs, and see exactly what happens at each stage. This is especially helpful when you want to identify where a decision outcome changes, where a variable gets updated, or where the flow may be stopping unexpectedly. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. Once you're in Setup, use the search bar to look for flows. When the flow results appear, open the specific flow you want to troubleshoot. Make sure you choose the correct flow, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. It's a good idea to confirm that you're reviewing the version that is currently relevant to the issue you're trying to solve. After the flow opens in Flow Builder, look at the top toolbar and click the Debug button. This launches the debug experience and allows you to test the flow without immediately making changes to your live process. Debugging is useful because it shows you how the flow behaves in a controlled way, which can make it much easier to spot errors or unexpected logic. Next, configure your input variables or any available execution options. This step is important because the values you enter here affect the path the flow will take. Try to use test values that closely match the real scenario you're troubleshooting. That way, the results will be more meaningful and easier to compare with the behavior you're seeing in practice. Once everything is set, click Run to begin the debug session. As the flow executes, pay close attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. This area displays step-by-step path results and variable details, giving you a clear view of how the flow moves from one element to the next. You can use this information to see which decisions were made, what values were passed through the flow, and where anything may have gone off track. Take your time reviewing each part of the output carefully. If something doesn't look right, compare the values and path results to what you expected. In many cases, the issue becomes obvious once you can see the execution unfold step by step. This approach can save time and make troubleshooting much more efficient when working with Salesforce flows.